This is Joe, the host of He Said, She Said. And there's two words that came to my mind earlier today, and I was like, Lord, where are we going to go with this? What do you want? How do you want me to say this? And the two words were gag order. Have you ever heard of a gag order? Gag order is something, it's a legal term that's discussed usually in the court of law where certain parts of a court case cannot be discussed in public. And that immediately made me think of things that we do as people, not in the court of law, just in our personal lives. We're discussing details with people that do not have a business need to know. I know I just used a very corporate jargon, forgive me. Being in the corporate America for so many years has conditioned me to use that business need to know. But if someone tells you in secret, why are you publicly just letting their business out in the middle of the street? Just letting anybody know? What if there's a gag order on what you are sharing? What's the penalty for that? The penalty for that is if the person hears that you're publicly letting someone know what they've confided in you privately, that's a hit towards your reputation. That's a hit towards your ability to even show or give an example of what Christ is. Your witness can be tarnished because of that. And I know we mean well, and I know sometimes the juicy gossip is so hard to keep in. Trust me, there's things that people have told me, I'm like, I just want to tell somebody, hold it, because that person trusted you enough with that information. And they're going to assess whether they're telling you they're going to assess or they don't say anything at all. Trust me, inside they're like, I wonder if this person is going to keep their word. This person I felt was safe enough to divulge this information because I feel like this person is a person that I can trust, a person that has good character, a person who's honest, a person who has high integrity. Now imagine when you just let it out and they hear it. All of that goes out the window. And guess what? They may tell somebody else, like, I told so-and-so something really personal. And they went and just spewed it out in the middle of the street like it was nothing. There's a gag order on you. Newsflash, if you didn't know already. There's a gag order on you. Even if they don't tell you, don't tell anybody. You know sometimes when somebody tells you something you should not be telling other people. But it's our nature, right? We hear something, that's intriguing, something that gets our emotions. We're inclined to share it. Fight that inclination, because there's some things that has happened to people, there's things that's happening to people, and there's things that will happen to people that they're going to share with you. But even if you have to tie a rope around your mouth or a bandana or something that literally gag you, the gag order is on you, and your reputation and your ability to show people who Jesus Christ depends on it. Do you take it that seriously? Or will you let yourself get the best of you? It's time to get out of ourselves. Stop being selfish. Be selfless. Fight the urge to gag, to not gag yourself. It's important, and your witness depends on it.